Hey guys, welcome to chapter 6, lesson 3. So in lesson 2, we talked about multiplying by 2. So today we're going to talk about its inverse or its opposite, dividing by 2. So it says, you learned about the division symbol, this little guy right here. Like we're pretty comfortable with that division symbol, right? But another symbol for division is this guy right here. I don't know. I call it the house. It's not the technical term, but it's just what I call it, I guess. When we are writing a normal division sentence, we would write 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, right? We're just like we read from left to right. Now, when we use the house, things get a little trickier. We say inside the house first. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so our answer goes up on top. It's a little trickier, right? But it's only tricky because it's the first time seeing it. Maybe you've seen it before, but the more you see it, it's like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so that's another way to show division is by using the house. I don't know. We'll try it out. Oops, I thought I was erasing. Sorry, guys. We'll try it out using the house, see how things go. Otherwise, you can always write division sentence. Just kind of as we get on, we use the house more, but. All right, let's get started. Example 1, Javier and Alexis share an apple equally. If there are 8 slices, how many slices will each of them get? So to share equally between 8 people, sorry, 2 people, not 8, 2. Between 2 people, oh, sorry, I guess I need to change the width. Between 2 people means to divide by 2. I'm dividing it into 2 groups. So to find 8 divided by 2 or 8 divided by 2, I can partition or cut apart one counter at a time into each group. Partition, kind of put into each group. Not cut the counters, right? But I can place one in each group, one at a time, until the counters are gone. Draw the equal groups at the right. Okay, so I've got 2 groups here, 1, 2. So I've already put one in from each group. So let's keep going. I'm going to cross them off when I'm done, okay? Okay, so our question is how many are in each group? Well, look at that, 4. So this model shows that 8 divided by 2, 8 divided into 2 equal groups is 4. Or 8 divided by 2 is 4. Answers go on the top. Each person will get 4 apple slices. All right, let's look at another example. A related multiplication fact can help you find an unknown in a division sentence. So once we get really good at those multiplication facts, they really do help us with division. So here we go. Max divided his collection of 12 feathers into 2 groups. So we're taking 12 and we're dividing it into 2 groups. Okay, how many feathers are in each group? Find the unknown. So if I need to find 12 divided by 2 equals the unknown, or 12 divided by 2 equals the unknown, I can think about a multiplication fact, a fact family. I could say 2 times what is 12. Okay, so then I can get my fingers out and I can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How many 2s did I need in order to get to 12? I counted 6. I need 6 2s to get to 12. Okay, I'm going to pull a video of me doing that so I can kind of show you how I do it. All right, so if I was trying to figure out how many groups of 2 equal 12, I'd go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6. I had 6 groups of 2 and they made 12. So it's okay to use your fingers, right? Especially right now. Okay, so if I say 2 times what, I'm going to say I'm going to count by 2s until I get to 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6 2s equal 12. Okay, so we just figured out that 2 times 6 is 12. So then I would know that 12 divided by 2 is 6, right? That's our missing member of our fact family. 12 divided into 2 equal groups is 6. The unknown is 6. There are 6 feathers in each group. All right, let's keep moving. Divide. Write a related multiplication fact. Okay, so I'm saying 4 divided by 2. Okay, so I'm noticing in this picture, I also have 2 groups, and in each group there are 2. So I'd say 2 times 2 is 4. That would be my related multiplication fact. Now I can use that. I already used a 4. I already used a 2. So therefore I know if I take 4 counters and I divide them into 2 groups, I'd have 2 in each group. Okay, let's look at that a different way for the next one. I kind of worked backwards for that one. So here I have 10 stars. I divided them into 2 groups. Now I'm going to ask myself, how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are in each group. Okay, so a related multiplication fact would be 2 groups of 5 are equal to 10. Okay, I have 6 hearts, divided them into 2 equal groups. How many are in each group? 3, right? We got 3 in each group. So now if I wanted to write a related multiplication fact, I'd say I have 2 groups of 3, which equals to 6 total hearts. Okay, so there we go. Let's do some more examples here. So I have 8 smiley faces divided into 2 groups, which means how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 in each group. Now I could also say I have two groups of 4, and they are equal to 8 total smiley faces. Notice I'm using the same exact numbers, aren't I? 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4. Same numbers because they are fact families. Okay, here I have 18 diamonds or rhombuses or rhombi. Okay, and I'm dividing them into 2 equal groups. How many are in each group? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's double check. They're 2 equal ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are. I have 2 groups of 9 here. Okay. So I could also say, I just said the answer, right? 2 groups of 9 are equal to, how many total rhombi do I have here? I have 18 total rhombi or rhombuses. I looked it up once, and actually the plural of rhombus can be either rhombi or rhombuses. So, I don't know. And rhombus is the mathematical term for a diamond. So, let's look at one more page here. Okay, we are going to divide and write a related multiplication fact. So here we're dividing and we don't have any pictures, but the grand thing is you can always get out your blue notebook and draw a picture, right? So if I have 20 and I'm dividing it into 2 equal groups, okay? It's going to be kind of a big one, right? 20 and I'm dividing it into 2 equal groups. I'm going to put 1 in each group at a time until I get to 20 total sticks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm crossing. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I cross for the fifth one. So I do 4 sticks and then a crossy because that makes it easier because we're counting by 5s, right? So I know that this is a group of 5 and I don't have to count it because if it's got a line crossing over, I just know group of 5. So I have 5, 10, 5, 10. So I have 10 in each group. Okay, so 20 divided into 2 equal groups is equal to 10. And I could say, okay, I've got 2 equal groups of 10 in each group is equal to 20 total tally marks. Okay, let's do a house one. Let's do number 7. I have 14. Remember, I always start inside the house. 14 divided by 2. Okay, so I have 2 groups. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 4 sticks. Now I have to cross. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so when I'm counting my tally marks now, I see 1 crossy, so I know that's 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 in each. So my quotient goes on the top, or my answer to my division problem. And then I could also say, okay, I have 2 groups of 7, and it's equal to 14 total tally marks. Okay. Okay, so my last one was on page 311, so this must have been 312. Page 312 in your book, which would have been helpful at the beginning. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, please let me know if you have any help. Please come to office hours. I'm here to help you. And if you have any questions, let me know. If not, great job either way. We'll talk to you later. Bye.